Hi, I'm Bob Sharp with SVSI. We're the manufacturers of the VoLANte networked AV product. So the concept of encoding every source of video and providing a decoder at every display allows you to direct any source of video to any display or combination of displays on your campus or in your facility. What we're showing new at InfoComm 2012 is the use of our IP-based windowing processor to drive a video wall. So instead of the typical video wall controller, we are simply driving each display natively at its native resolution using our windowing processor and using the calculations of the windowing processor to provide the inter-screen splits. The interesting thing about this concept is that instead of blowing up a file from a PC to the full screen, each individual window is a streamed video, so it can be switched from whatever sources are available to you. It also allows you to clone the video wall to another video wall that's showing the same content simply by adding decoders to the second video wall and network connection without any need for a video wall controller on the second video wall. So obviously a great cost saving there if you've got multiple video walls in a facility that are showing the same content. What I'd like to also show you now, and actually we can see in the rack here are the 4 windowing processors and the 4 decoder rack that is feeding that video wall. But another new product for InfoComm is our video collaboration bridge. With this overall concept of connect everything anywhere, you can use the LAN to provide room-to-room conferencing within a facility without the need to invoke a traditional Polycom-Tandberg codec. So if we come around this way, we've got 2 small conference rooms, mock-up conference rooms set up here, and the cameras and the laptops are encoded. That video is out on the network. There are then decoders to the projector, and in that conference room, the 2 screens. And we can do traditional content camera conferencing between the 2 rooms and a 3rd or a 4th room without it touching a codec. If you want to bring in a codec, this introduces the concept of codec farming. There's been a lot of interest in facilities that have multiple conference rooms, multiple multi-purpose rooms, such as a higher education or a corporate campus, of wanting those conference rooms to have access to video conferencing, but being reluctant to spend the money to put a VTC in every single room. So the concept there is to have a number of codecs, VTC codecs, available to you in a codec farm and route the video and the audio from a room to an available codec in the codec farm. And that can all be done with our encoders and decoders and our network transmission system. This is pure IP, this is standard network protocols. We comply with all standard networking protocols, so this can coexist on a well-managed corporate network.